Hello everybody, my name is Sam and I'm here at the Virginia Museum of History and Culture. Today we're going to be talking about games of the past. And today the game we're going to discuss is Ball and Cup. Ball and Cup is a very simple game. It's been around for a very long time. Some historians think it's been around since back to the 1500s in France where they first started to play it. You do know though that colonial Virginians love to play Ball and Cup. So what is Ball and Cup? It's very simple. It's just a ball connected by a string to a cup that you try to get inside. You try to get it inside the cup. Now, sometimes it can be hard, like it is right now, or sometimes it can be easy if you're really good at it, which I'm still learning. You can get a fancy ball and cup like this from a museum like ours or other museums or on the internet. You can also make a ball and cup at home. It's very, very easy. So how about you come over here and we talk about how you can do it. So luckily for this game, it only requires a couple supplies. So you don't need all that much. All you're gonna need is a cup of some kind and a ball of some kind. That's sort of in the name. You're also gonna need scissors or tape and some string. The string is probably very, very important along with the ball and the cup. So how do you make it? Well, you take any kind of cup you have around your house, especially like a plastic or a paper cup. It can be any size. And you're also going to need a ball of some kind. Now, the ball can be a variety of different items as well. It can be maybe a bead, that's a good one. Or it can be some bells. You can also even have a button. Well, if you don't even have any of those things, don't worry. You can make your own ball out of aluminum foil. So all you have to do is rip some aluminum foil off like that. And you're just gonna ball it up and presto, you got a ball. So next, after you have your ball, after you have your cup, you're gonna need to cut off some string. You can experiment with different lengths of string, so you can just play around, see what works best. You're gonna take some string, and then you're gonna need to make a knot on one end of the string. And that's important because you need to connect your string to your cup. So if you're using scissors, find an adult, ask the adult to help you make a hole through the bottom of the cup, or you could use some tape on the bottom of the cup. That's another option. But make a hole or make some tape, put your string through that hole, make sure the knot is on this end so it holds it tight, and then you're going to connect the other end of the string to your ball. So for the aluminum foil, it's very simple. You can just wrap the ball around the string in place, or you can tie it around your beads or your bells. So once you have attached your string to the cup and to the ball, now you're ready to go. So now, just like there you go. So with this size, it's a little bit easier. I like this one a little bit more than the hard version. But you can experiment at home. So you can make a variety of different size cups and balls. You can make bigger cups, wider cups, smaller cups, see which one is more difficult to play with. You can also make longer string, shorter string, different size balls as well. So just play around, see which size you like to play with the most. So this is a really fun game that you can do in a lot of different ways. So again, ball and cup. They've been doing it for hundreds of years right here in Virginia, and now you have the tools to do so at home. Hope you guys have fun playing. Bye.